How to trim a sound on TikTok before recording. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to trim a sound on TikTok before recording. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. To do that, you just simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So now you may open it once you have updated it, and then simply go to the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. And then click on the add sound right here on the topmost part and choose the music that you want. So for example, I will choose this one. So simply click on that music and then click on this scissor icon right here or the cut icon. So click on it, and then you may now drag the music to whichever part of the music that you want. For example, I'll just start right here and then end right here. So as you can see, there is a text right here which says 15 seconds selected. So that means that this will be only 15 seconds right here. So if you want to change the duration, then you may choose 60 seconds and 3 minutes right here. So click on that option and then go back to the music and click on this scissor icon once again. And as you can see now, um, it has turned into 60 seconds. So now you may click on done, you record yourself, and then that's it. That's how you can trim a sound on TikTok before recording.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.